Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So as the title and the thumbnail suggests, we're gonna be playing with my Urban Decay Born to Run palette again, which I absolutely adore. This is not my first time using this palette. If you haven't seen yet, I've done another video where I was using basically red and blue colors to create, I think, the most popular eye makeup look that I have seen people doing, and that turned out really beautiful. And in that video I also swatched all the shades. It's really colorful and really pigmented. So far I've been really impressed with this palette. Once again, this is how all the shades look like, and today, seeing how it's November, I wanted to do something a little bit autumny. Before I jump right into the tutorial, I wanted to mention a couple of things. So in just a second, I'm gonna be putting the MAC Painterly paint pot on my eye. I'm gonna be using the Essence Long-Lasting green eye pencil in the shade I Have a Green. On my lash line, I'm gonna darken it up with another Essence long-lasting eye pencil called Black Fever. So we're not gonna do a winged eyeliner today, we're just gonna keep it simple. For my mascara, I'm gonna be using the Lash Paradise. I have recently done a video on this. If you haven't seen yet, go and watch it. On my lips, I'm gonna be using a mixture of two of my favorite Clinique lipsticks. One of them is called Plum Pop. I'm gonna put that down as a base, and then in the middle I'm gonna put Bear Pop because this has a gold sheen to it. So it's basically just gonna lighten up the center of the lips. I'm gonna be putting on false eyelashes, my Ardell Demi Wispies. I absolutely love these ones. We're gonna jump into the makeup tutorial now, using this palette for the second time. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends if you want, hit the bell button so you don't miss any future uploads, and I will see you next time. Enjoy.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me day by day, got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away. Got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.